students.
Multiply and divide. In our previous class, we learned definition about divide. Divide means repeated subtraction. Divide means repeated subtraction. Now, label of division. Label of division. This is a divisor. Dividend. Sorry, this is quotient. This is dividend. Quotient. And this one is called remainder. Label of division, divisor, dividend, quotient, and remainder. They have formula. Dividend equals divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, students, please note down this one. Label of division, divisor, dividend, quotient, remainder. Their formula dividend is equal divisor into quotient plus remainder. Please note down this formula. And next point, remainder is always less than the divisor. Remainder is always less than the remainder. Sorry. Remainder is always less than the divisor. Remainder less than divisor. Remainder is always less than the divisor. Remainder less than divisor. Questions. Now we see some problems depending on division. Already we discussed some problems. That is page number 28. Try this is over. Now we see one problem. Six hundred and 27 divided by 5. 627 divided by 5. This is the dividend and this is the divisor. Write the table. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 six are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45. 5 tens are 50. And here one special multiply is exists, that is 5 into 0. 0. 0 into any number. 0. See, in mathematics, we have 4 operations. We have 4 operations. 4 operations. In mathematics, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. See, addition, the process is from right to left. The process of addition from right side to left side. And subtraction also, the process from right to left. And multiplication also, the process from right to left. But division is different. This is left to right. The division of the process is from left to right side. See, 5, 627. 627 is divided by 5. See, first one, there 6 is there. The division process starting from left to right. From left to right is going. First number is 6. In the 5 table, where is 6? There is on 6. The 6 in between 5 and 10. If we take the multiple of 5 table equal to 6 or less than the 6. It should not take more than 6. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. 10 is more than 6. We take 5 ones are 5. Yes. 5 ones are 5. Now we do subtraction. 6 minus 5, 1. The next digit from 627 is 2. 2 drop down. The number, the digit 2 drop down. Now it is 12. In 5 table, there is no 12. There is no 12. The 12 lies in between 10 and 15. 5 is the 15. It is a more than 12. We take equal value of 12 or less than the 12. 5 twos are 10. Yes. 5 twos. 5 into 2, 10. Now 12 minus 10, only 2. The final digit 7 drop down. Now 2, 7, 27. Where is the 27? There is no 27, but 27 lies in between 25 and 30. 5, 6 are 30. This is bigger than the 27. We take less than value or equal value. There is no 27, we take 5, 5 are 25. 5, 5 are 25. Now do subtraction again. 7 minus 5, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Yes, there is no number. Our problem terminated here only. Okay. There is no numbers here. After 627, there is no number. Our problem terminating here only. Now write the label. This is called divisor. Divisor. 627 dividend. Now 125 is quotient. This is our main answer in this division. Quotient. Now excess number, extra number. This is called remainder. Yes, our condition, remainder always lesser than divisor. Yes. 2 less than 5. Our condition also true. Remainder always less than divisor. This is called division. Division, the process from left to right. Remaining 3 operations: addition right to left, subtraction also right to left, multiplication also right to left, but division from left to right. These are labels. 5 is a divisor, 627 is divided, 125 quotient. This is our main answer. And excess number means extra number. Remainder. This is called division. Divisor is 5. We write 5 table. And your special multiplication 5 into 0 or 0 into number 0. It is also exists here. This is the division. We will see some more problems. We have formula here. The formula is dividend is equal divisor into quotient or quotient in divisor plus remainder. In our previous problem, dividend is 627. Divisor is 5. Quotient is 125. And remainder Remainder is 2. Now verification. Verification. Yes, in this above form, what dividend? What is the dividend value? 627 equal divisor 5 into quotient 125 plus remainder is 2. First, we do simplification of 5 into 125. 125 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 is the here, 2 is going on carry on. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 2 is there, 1 is there. 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 625. 625 plus remainder is 2. Now 625 plus 2. 627. Yes. We got dividend 627. This is a formula. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Yes, we got 627 dividend. Here also 627. This is called verification after our division. Our process is correct or not. We check it. This formula dividend is equal divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is the division. First we have to division. After we will verify dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder by using this formula. This is called verification of our previous problem. Now we see more problems. Yes. All of you open page number 31. Page number 31. Here two processes are there, that is 50 divides with 3. Page number 31. The teacher has put this division problem on the board. 50 divides 3. Lata. Lata solved this problem. 50 divides with 3. Already given this process. Solution in textbook page number 31. Next, one more girl, Bhagya, also solved the same problem. This is textbook solution. Lata. Yes, 3 ones are 3, 5 minus 3, 2. Next, drop 2 down. Drop the 0 down beside 2, 2, 0, 20, 3 5s are 15. The remainder is 5. Now Bhagya. 3 1 ja 3. 3 minus 5. 3 1 ja 3. 3 1 ja 3. 5 minus 3 2 and 0 will drop down. Beside that is 2. 0 2 0 20. 3 6 are 8 and after subtraction 20 minus the answer 2. Yes. See here remainder. This is remainder. Divisor. Dividend and quotient. Our condition remainder less than divisor. Remainder always less than divisor. 2 less than 3. And here divisor 3, remainder 5, quotient and dividend. Here remainder condition remainder less than divisor, but here remainder not less than divisor. So this Lassa process is wrong. Bhagya process, Bhagya solution is correct. By our formula, dividend is equal to dividend is equal to divisor into quotient. By this using formula, we get 50 and 50. The solution given in textbook. According condition of division, remainder always lesser than divisor. It is correct. Here, remainder not less than divisor. The solution is wrong. So, Bhagya solution is correct. This is the solution given in textbook, that is page number 31. Please, once you concentrate this division by two methods, one is Lata, one is Bhagya. See, some more problems are there, that is page number 32. Try this. Page number 32. Try this. Some of the divisions given below are incorrect. Identify them and discuss the reason for the mistakes with your friends. I will explain first one, that is 404 divided by 4. The quotient is 11. The process given textbook. Yeah. It is given solution. Given solution. in textbook. Okay, now I do this process here. See, what is the divisor here? 4. Write the 4 table. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 six are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, 4 tens are 40. In division, one special multiplication is exists, that is now I do this solution in different method. 4 is divisor, the dividend is 404. Now the division process left to right, from left to right. The first number is 4. In that 4 table, 4 is there, yes, the multiple 4 is here, that is 4 ones are 4. You take 4 ones are 4, 4 minus 4, 0. Now you write 0. A number starting with 0, there is no value for 0. Now second digit, that is 0 will come down, 0. And in 4 table, 0 is there, yes, 0 is there, 4 into 0. 4 into 0. 4 into 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0. Now the final digit, the number 4 will come down 4. Now again 4 is there, yes, 4 is there, 4 ones are 4. 4 minus 4 ones are 4. This is subtracting 4 minus 4, 0. Yes, this is the correct process. See, given solution textbook, here 0 is missing in the question. Means this is a wrong process. This is one correct one. To check it, we have a formula. Dividend is equal divisor into quotient plus remainder. Here this is the divisor, dividend, quotient, and this is remainder. And our condition, remainder always less than divisor. The remainder is 0. 0 always less than divisor, means 4. Yes, our process is correct. Now dividend is equal 404 equal divisor. Divisor is 4 and quotient is 101 plus remainder. Remainder is 0. Therefore 4 ones are 4, 4 into 0, 0, 4 ones are 4 plus 0. 404 plus 0. Again 404. Yes, we got same dividend. And one more condition. Remainder is lesser than divisor. This condition is exists. Then our solution is correct. This is our process. This is our solution. This solution is given in textbook. Given solution in textbook. This process is incorrect, wrong. Okay, remaining problems are waiting for you. Try by doing division your own method and see 2 conditions. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder formula. Dividend is equal divisor into quotient plus remainder, and remainder always lesser than divisor. Compulsory check this one. Remainder always lesser than divisor. Check it. By these 2 conditions, Verify these two conditions. Our answer is correct or wrong. Verify by these two conditions. Dividend is equal divisor into quotient plus remainder, and remainder always lesser than divisor. Okay, try this problem from page number 32. Please try this one. Some problems are waiting for you. Already you are given solution. That is what question number 1. Try this and verify your main answer to given textbook answer. And after your solution, again verify these two formulas. Dividend is equal divisor into quotient plus remainder, and remainder always less than divisor. Now we are enter into page number 33, that is exercise question number 1. Yes. Page number 33, exercise question number 1. Valli took a loan of rupees 9,750 for farming purpose. Yes. How much loan? 9,750 rupees. This is the loan from the bank, farming purpose. She has to pay it back in equal amount in 6 months. 6 months. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months. How much will she has to pay every month? Yes. This amount 9,750 rupees divided into 6 equal parts. What is the every part is here? She has to pay this amount. How much will she has to pay every month? Now we have to share this amount into 6 equal parts. 6 equal parts means this amount is divided into 6 equal parts. 9,750 rupees is divided into 6 equal parts. Then she has to pay every month. Second month amount, third month amount, fourth month amount, fifth month amount, 6 month amount. It means 9,750 rupees divided by 6. Why in the question she has to pay this amount 6 months. 6 months means she has to pay every month some amount. These are some amount, some amount, some amount, some amount, some amount. What is that some amount? Means 9,750 rupees is divided into equal parts. How many equal parts? 6. Yes. Yes. I read the solution. Valli took a loan. How much loan? Rupees 9,750. She has to pay it back in equal amounts in 6 months. She has to pay it in equal amount in 6 months. How much will she pay to? How much will she has to pay every month? It means amount of every month. Amount of every month. Yeah, how many months are there? 6 months. Means 9,000 6. Here our divider is 6. Write the 6 table. First of all, write the 6 table. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. 6 six are 36. 6 sevens are 42. 6 eights are 48. 6 nines are 54. And 6 tens are 60. In division, special multiplication is equal, that is 6 into 0 is equal to 0, or 0 into any number 0. Now division, the divisor is 6, main amount is 9,750 rupees. See what is the first digit? 9. Where is the 9? Actually there is no 9, but the 9 is nearest to, or 9 is lies in between 6 and 12. The number 12 is more than 9. If you take 6, 6 ones are 6, 6 ones are 6, it is 6 is less than the 9. Now 9 minus 6 is 3. The next digit is 7, drop down, that is 7. 3, 7, nothing but 37. Where is the 37? There is no 37 in 6 table, but the 37 lies in between 36 and 42. Okay, if you take 42, it is a bigger than 37. You take 6, 6 are 36. 36 is lesser than 37. Now take 6, 6 are 36. Now do subtraction. 7 minus 6, 1. 3 minus 3 is 0. Now after 7, the digit is 5. The digit 5 drop down. Now 1 5. 1 5 means 15. 15. In 6 table there is no 15, but 15 is lies in between 12 and 18. 18 is a bigger than 15. We take lesser value. That is 6 twos are 12. 6 twos are 12. Now subtraction, 5 minus 2, 3, 1 minus 1, 0. The final digit, that is 0, will come down. Now 3 and 0, 3 and 0, 30. Yes, in 60 table we have 30, that is 6 5s are 30. 6 5s are 30. Now 30 minus 30 is 0. Yes, when remainder is 0, is yes. Amount of every month. Amount of every month is amount of every month. Amount of every month is rupees 1,625. In division, our main answer is quotient. In division, our main answer is quotient. and remainder always lesser than divisor. Remainder always lesser than divisor. Yes. 0 lesser than 6. Is it correct? Yes. Now she has to pay 1,625 rupees every month. Amount of every month is 1,625 rupees. She has to pay 1,625 rupees every month. See, in division, main answer is quotient. Our condition remainder always lesser than divisor, as remainder 0 less than 6. This is our solution. Our solution is also correct. This is the solution of question number 1. In our tomorrow class, I will start second problem. We will see these remaining problems in next class, that is tomorrow. Okay, students? Bye.